Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is seundigital. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the best way to do arbitrage on Binance. Now, I know you've seen a lot of videos on YouTube and you try them and it's not working, but with this system, no doubt it's going to work because I'm going to show you proof on how to do it and step by step on how to make it work for yourself. All right, guys, so let's dive into the video. So if you're yet to subscribe on my channel, you know I will do it. If you want to be part of the family, guys, you're welcome. Okay, to subscribe to my channel, click on this button that says subscribe. Once you click on it, click on this bell, click on it, then click on all. Boom, you're part of the family. You've subscribed to my channel and you've turned on the notification bell. Thank you. So let's dive into the video while I show you how to do correct, perfect Binance arbitrage, P2P Binance arbitrage. So let's go in. All right, guys, so what you need to do now is go to Binance. All right, click on Binance. Let's say this is my own Binance. I'm gonna click on it. Okay, click on Binance. It's gonna load up for you. Now, if you have not registered on Binance, I'm gonna drop a link in the description box of this video. Use that link to register on Binance. All you just need to verify your account is a valid ID card. Okay, it could be your NIN ID card or voter's card or whatever card or international passport. So what you need to do now is click on this P2P right here. If you've been using Binance for a while, you're going to see your P2P here. But if you have not been using Binance for some while or this is the first time, you just need to do what? You are going to click your own P2P. All right, so you click on wallet here. So let's say you want to click on wallet. I'm going to click on the wallet. Now, when I click on wallet, I'm going to see something like this. So what I'm looking for is the funding. All right, click on funding. Yeah, you see funding, right? Click on it. So when you click on funding, then you're going to see the P2P we saw at that front. Okay, this is P2P. Click on it. Very easy. Click on P2P. And when you click on P2P, now you're going to see buy. This is buy coin. This is where you can buy. This is sell. All right, so these are all the coins people are saying. This is USDT. Don't forget USDT, and these are what you can buy. These are what of USDT you can buy, and these are the prices to it. So what you need to do is that check for the lowest, and the lowest is the number one. You can also refresh it. You can refresh it by dragging it down like this and refresh it. So this is the lowest. This is the rate for. At the time I'm doing this video, this is the rate, 714 naira 10 kobo. All right, so let's say you want to buy what of don't forget, the higher the money, the higher the profits. Let's say you want to buy what of 100k, 200k, 50,000, but I'm gonna do like 16,000. Let's say I want to do 16,000. So if I click on, if I start looking for somebody selling 16,000 here, but if I don't want to do that, I will just click on this part that says amount. Okay, I'll click on this amount to filter the price. So I'm going to put 16,000 here. All right, click confirm. So once I confirm it, then I can see somebody selling 15 that I can buy 16,000 worth from. So this person is selling from 10,999 to 300,000. So and he's selling for 715 naira 49 kobo. All right. So what I want to do, let's go and check for the selling. This is the buying part, selling part. So let's click on sell and see how much you are going to. So if we buy for 715.49 kobo. So if we are selling immediately, we are going to sell for 710.40 kobo. That shows we are not at any profit. Okay, we are not at any profit at all. So let's do the calculation. If we buy, where's my calculator? If we buy what of 16,000, all right, divided by 715. This is what we used to buy, and we are getting 22 USDT, right? 22 USDT. Then we are now selling back. We are selling back that 22 USDT, our 22 USDT 22 USDT for 610.43. So this shows that we have not gotten any gain at all. Remember, we bought with 16,000. All right, and this is 15 something. So how much is the loss if we check what we are losing here? All right, minus 16. So we lost 300 naira, 370 naira. So for you not to lose any money, this is what you're gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna do that right now. Let's go back to buy now. So if I go back to buy and I say I want to buy from this guy for 715, all right, I'm gonna click on the guy for 715 and I'm gonna show you right now. So if I'm buying from this guy for 715, I want to buy worth of 16,000. Click on buy with 0 fee. When you click on buy with 0 fee, you can check his messages. He has a chart here. You can check what is in there. All right, let's check what he has there. So let's see. Okay, this is his policy. I promise you all, I am always available waiting for you to make payment. Just proceed and give me a little time to confirm and then I release quickly. Please don't write anything crypto related in the description when paying. Please no third party payments. Don't pay me the cobbles, okay? And please, when paying, ensure you select the right bank, PalmPay Limited Bank, and not OPay Con or any other. So it says that, so most time you have to read what they say so that you won't do mistake and be waiting. So it said ensure you pay with this bank. Okay, let's go back and pay with the PalmPay. Okay, let's go to PalmPay. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna click on this one that says make payment. All right, make payment. We want to buy a coin, make payment. Don't forget we're buying at the rate of 715.49 kobo. All right, so we're going to copy his bank details from here. So for you to copy the bank details, just click on this button right here. This is the bank account, this is the bank name. All right, so that's what you're going to do. So let's do that real quick. So I'm going to copy it by pressing that button. So I've copied the bank account number. So I'm going to go to my account now. Go to my bank. All right, so I'm going to pause it. So I'm going to make payment to him by clicking confirm. Yeah, very good. I've made the payment to him, right? So next thing we want to do is that I want to go back to your this part here. So now when you get back to this part, you are going to click on this button that says transferred notify seller. All right, it shows that you've paid. Just click on it, then you are going to wait for the guy to release the coin. All right, we're going to wait for the guy to release the coin. So let's wait for him to release the coin. Don't forget we're buying 16,000 naira worth at the rate of 715.49 kobo, and we'll be getting this 22.36 USDT. All right, so I'm gonna pause this video. When the guy release the coin, I'll be right back. Okay, the guy has released the coin to us. Don't forget, this is the amount we paid, this is the rate we bought, this is what we got. All right, so now what you need to do now is click on the button here to go back, or you click on the back button on your phone. All right, so I'm gonna click that, then again you click it again. Now we are here. We bought now we want to sell. If you say you should go and sell straight away, you will not make any profit. You know, I've said it, you will not make any profit. So what you want to do now is click on the sell like this, click on the sell button just as I have done now. Click on it, then click on this button, this notification button right here. You see this button, notification button that is circled. Click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see something like this, alert. price alert. Set your target prices and get notified when the market price reaches your target. Very simple. See, you can make so much money with this system. Now what you want to do now is that click on this cell. All right, you see the cell, click on it, then click on the button that says here. You see this let me bring that. I want you to see it. This, click on it. Now before you click on it, you can read what they've said. You will receive notifications once the ad price in P2P reaches your set target price or prices. Ensure notifications are turned on in your settings. A maximum of 50 alerts can be created. Each alert will automatically expire and be deleted after 90 days. Can you see that? So now let's say this. Now if I click on this here right now, which I just did, then you're gonna see this. Make sure your currencies in naira, fiat, your USDT, that's what you're selling, and the selling price above. Then here is what we're gonna set. Then we'll leave this as only once. Okay, let's go and do that. Now this is naira, right? That's what we're using. Go back. USDT is what we're selling. Price above. Yes, price above. Okay, now the current price is 700. We bought at 715. So what we want to do here is that we want to set a target price. We want to put 717. If we bought 715, let's say we want to put 7, that's 2 naira different. Okay, now let's say, okay, I want to do 717. Then we say, we click on this button to create it. It means that, please, when the price reaches 717, let me know. Okay, that is 2 naira difference. Okay, now we are gonna click that. You can do it again and click the same thing again, price alert, and tell the system again, like when it reaches 718 points, stop. Okay, let me know. All right, you can do up to 20. Once it reaches 720, let me know. So when you set it like this, when it gets to 717, the system will let you know, so you can come and sell your USDT. But believe me, if you can do this every day, I mean 5 times in a day, 10 times in a day, let's say you're making 5 naira on each, and you can do it as many times as you can, you'll be making a lot of money with this system. Now if you've seen value in this video, please, and you don't want me to delete this video because I'll be deleting it in the next 24 hours, please give this video a like, and also you can subscribe to my channel.
Okay, to subscribe to my channel, click on this button that says subscribe. Once you click on it, click on the bell, this bell, click on it, then click on all. Boom, you are part of the family. You've subscribed to my channel and you've turned on the notification bell. Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you. Bye for now.